Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a very important topic, melanoma. Melanoma is a serious form of skin cancer, but the good news is early detection can save lives. That's why we are going to break down ABCDE mnemonic, a handy tool to help you remember the warning signs and features of melanoma. So let's get started. First up, A is for asymmetry. A healthy mole is usually symmetrical, which means if you draw a line through the middle, both halves look the same. But if a mole is asymmetrical, like in this picture and in this picture, it could be a warning sign of melanoma. That's what you need to watch out for. Next, B stands for border. Normal mole usually have a smooth, even borders, but if the edges of a mole are irregular, blurred, or jagged, it could be a sign of melanoma. So we need to keep an eye on those borders. Now let's talk about C for color. A typical mole usually have a single shade of brown color, whereas melanoma, on the other hand, can have multiple colors like different shades of black, brown, red, white, or even blue, as shown in this picture. So if you see a variety of colors in a mole, it's time to get it checked. D is for diameter. So melanomas are often larger than 6 mm across, which is about the size of a pencil eraser, but size isn't everything. Some melanomas can be smaller when first detected. Still, it's a good rule of thumb to watch out for the moles larger than 6 mm. Last but not the least, E stands for evolving. This means any change in a mole's shape, size, color, or elevation, or any new symptoms like bleeding, itching, or crusting are the features of evolution. So the changes over the time in a mole are a red flag sign that you should not ignore. Remember, early detection is key. Make it a habit to check your skin regularly and consult a dermatologist if you notice anything suspicious. And always teach your patients about how to look for the warning signs in a melanoma. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have got any questions, drop them in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.